Hello friends, welcome to another cooking video. Today I'm going to share to you my own recipe. It is a warming seafood dish. For the ingredients, check below. Our pan is hot, so let's saute the ginger, garlic, and the shallots. Add the salt. It's about 1/4 teaspoon. When the onion is translucent and with that nice aroma, let's add the Chinese celery and our carrots. Give it a quick stir. And then let's add the hot water. Cover and let it simmer for 5 minutes or until carrot is half cooked. After 5 minutes, let's check. Add the rice wine. Stir in the pork slices. And by the way, this is optional. Now let's add the fish. It's not necessarily this kind, but you can use your own choice of fish. Cover and cook for 6 to 8 minutes depending on the size of your fish. I cooked this 6 minutes. Let's check. Now it's time to add the clams. Lastly, add the spring onions or the green onions. Cover and cook for 3 minutes or until the clams are opened. Let's check. I think the clams are ready. So this is now our simple and easy seafood stew. Thank you for watching. Until next time.